Your child memorizes today and forgets by tomorrow. In an AI world, the path you don't wire fades.
Rote answers fade.
Patterns wire. 16 short rules from ancient India. Patterns your child can see. Handle every multiplication, every division they'll face for years. In 10 lessons, your child stops memorizing and starts seeing. How? In this lesson, what Vedic Maths is, why 16 patterns beat 1,000 facts, and a quick taste of one trick. The full picture comes in Lesson 3. Vedic Maths is pattern math. 16 short rules, sutras, from ancient India. Each sutra is a pattern your child can see, not a fact they have to memorize. One sutra, hundreds of problems. That's the switch. Quick prediction. Which wins long term? Memorizing 1,000 maths facts or knowing 16 patterns? 16 patterns. Every time. Good instinct. Here's the neuroscience, plain and simple. Rote maths. Your child stores an answer but never built it. 2 retrievals later, gone. Pattern maths. Your child builds the answer. They see why the digits split and sum and smush back together. That build is the wiring. Remember the abacus? Vedic Maths is the same idea. Patterns first, answers second. Different tool, same brain wiring. Watch. 12 times 11. Split. 1 blank 2. Sum. 1 plus 2, 3. Smush. 1, 3, 2. 132. Done. We go deep on this in Lesson 3. Today's just a taste. But hold this question. Why does splitting the digits give you the answer? That's exactly where Lesson 3 starts. Here's what's coming across 10 lessons. How does 99 plus 3 unlock multiplication near 100? Lesson 2. Why does 12 times 11 split into 3 steps you can do in your head? Lesson 3. How do you square 95 in 2 seconds without a calculator? Lesson 4. What pattern lets your child divide without long division? Lesson 9. Speed challenge. 10 patterns, 60 seconds. Lesson 10. Each lesson, one new pattern. 16 sutras across the series. Here's the gap people miss. Vedic Maths looks like 1,000 tricks, one for each problem. It's not. It's 16 sutras, each a pattern that flexes across hundreds of problems. The 12 times 11 pattern works for 23 times 11, 47 times 11, 81 times 11. One pattern, many problems. That's the gap. Quick check. Question 1. What is Vedic Maths? B. Pattern math from 16 sutras. Question 2. Why does Vedic math stay in your child's brain? B. Because your child sees the pattern and builds it. You spotted it. Today, Vedic Maths is pattern math. 16 short sutras, each a pattern, not a fact to memorize. Pattern wiring beats rote memorization every time. Tonight, ask your child, what is Vedic Maths? Listen for the word pattern. If they say it, the wiring is starting. Quiz at tamilgeniuslab.com/quiz/what is Vedic Maths. Next, Lesson 2, all from 9, last from 10. The friend of 10 trick.